Elevate your flight, discover the Holy Stone HS720G drone with 4K camera and advanced features. 2-axis gimbal with 4K EIS camera, with 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K EIS, electric image stabilization, camera, HS720G guarantees stunning and vivid footage in a bird's-eye view without missing any details. It's your ticket to the sky. Introducing the Holy Stone HS720G, the pinnacle of advanced drone technology, tailored for both beginner adults and seasoned pilots. With its 2-axis gimbal and 4K EIS camera, every moment is captured with breathtaking clarity and stability, even in windy conditions. The foldable design makes it the perfect travel companion, allowing you to explore and capture the world from new heights. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers quiet flight, enhanced control, and longer lifespan, ensuring your adventures are limitless. Experience seamless connectivity with 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Stream live, high-definition footage directly to your device without missing a beat. With features like Optical Flow, Follow Me, and Smart Return Home, flying becomes as easy as a push of a button. Embark on an unforgettable journey with the Holy Stone HS720G drone, where technology meets imagination, and the sky is no longer the limit.